Hello everybody, Kevin T here with Learn to Trade. I'm just putting this video together real quick just to let you know that I didn't abandon the channel. I know it's been a while since I put a video out. I'm working on some developing some new material and just putting some finishing touches on the work that I've done already, trying to make the videos a little better as far as giving the classes for the EPA certification, which I think is going to be a big help for those who want to get into the service field. And I just wanted to, wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving, happy holidays, and I look forward to getting back at you with some new and improved videos on refrigeration repair and commercial food equipment repair and things like that. I also, wanted to let you know too that I've been going through some issues with my job, and we couldn't come to an agreement as far as fixing some of the problems that we were having in the service department. So, seeing that, not all times are we gonna agree, I decided to depart from that company, and I have taking on another job elsewhere with another company. So I will be, still in the process of moving on, and just wanted to fill you guys in on what's happening with the Learn to Trade channel, and let you know that we will be getting back at you with some new material. And please continue to follow my channel, continue to like and subscribe to the channel. It helps out, and I appreciate it if you could share it with those who might be interested in it. And I'll be getting back to you real soon, probably a little bit after the holidays. So take care, have a good holiday, safe holiday, and I appreciate you all. Thank you. God bless.